I wish I knew this before I started learning English. That the single most crucial piece of information to improve language skills is not found in any textbook. It's not even related to grammar rules or vocabulary lists. What I'm about to share with you will completely flip the script on how you approach language learning and will make you wonder how you ever did it any other way. The secret lies in identifying and understanding your own learning style, whether you're a visual, auditory, or kinesthetic learner, and adapting your study routine accordingly. For instance, if you learn visually, you'll focus on watching English language movies and TV shows, taking notes on new phrases and idioms. On the other hand, if you're an auditory learner, you'll spend more time listening to podcasts, audiobooks, and conversations with native speakers. And if you're a kinesthetic learner, you'll practice speaking and writing as much as possible, perhaps by engaging in conversations with language exchange partners or writing short stories and journal entries. The key is to understand that everyone learns differently and that there's no one-size-fits-all approach to language learning. By acknowledging and embracing your unique learning style, you'll be able to pinpoint exactly where you need improvement and focus your energy on making rapid progress. So, the next time you're feeling stuck or frustrated with your language learning journey, remember that the solution is not to follow a generic study plan, but to get to know yourself better and tailor your approach to your own strengths and weaknesses. You'll be amazed at how this simple shift in perspective can help you learn English 10x faster and more efficiently.